If the Descale indicator is lit on your Keurig K-Express Essentials coffee maker, it means the machine has detected mineral buildup inside the internal water lines. This buildup is common when using tap water and can affect brewing temperature and flow over time. Running a proper descaling cycle removes these deposits and resets the warning light so the brewer can return to normal operation. The process only takes a few minutes and helps keep your coffee tasting consistent. Try these. Step 1. Empty the water reservoir and fill it with a descaling solution or a mixture of water and white vinegar. Step 2. Place a large mug on the drip tray to collect the cleaning solution during the cycle. Step 3. Start a brew cycle without inserting a coffee pod and allow the solution to run through the machine. Step 4. Repeat the brew process until the reservoir is empty, helping flush out mineral buildup. Step 5. Refill the reservoir with clean water and run a few rinse cycles until the descale light turns off.